We'll be doing Choropleth mapping in QGIS. So to do Choropleth mapping, all you need to do is to right click on the on your layer panel. So we have the map of Nigeria, the entire country, and just right click on the layer and go to properties. So on the properties, you locate the symbology, which is this one that's having one brush with several colors. And what we'll be looking at is to go up here, this place you see, click on it, then you go to categorize. So on categorize, you go to the value and you select it down. Now, which field has all the things you're looking for? Now, the name 1 field contains all the name of the 36 plus 1 state, that's the FCT, making it 37 of the Republic of Nigeria. So I'll click on it. Now, once you click on that, you come down here to classify and click on classify. So it's going to give a color ramp for all the 37 states. So if you want to change any color ramp, you come up here and you select any one of your choice, or you can go here and select all of these color ramps. So these are the various color ramps that you have. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it on what they have here. I'm just going to leave it there, and I'm just going to come up here. Sorry, mine is bigger. I expanded it, but it's just giving me some bit of a challenge. So you click on OK, and you will find out that your entire each state has already given a color, and it looks beautiful, isn't it? So this is Choropleth mapping. Thank you.